Yo, we're live, coming to you from Calgary, Alberta. We're in Calgary, right?
Mm-hmm.
We're in Calgary, Alberta, in Canada. We're discussing various topics right now. Trying to see if anybody wants to join our conversation. We're just talking about the recent passing of XXXTENTACION. What do you guys think? What do people think about XXX and what's going on? I'm gonna wait for some people to log on. What up to Jet Sway? What up to Soy Supremo? What up 10 Cup Karma? Jose, my manager Marina, thank you for the Sosa said the new EP is fire. Thank you, bro. Got my boy Jay Lately over here, man. We just having a conversation about talking about XXXTENTACION, man. He just got killed, bro. Like, that shit is crazy. What do you guys think about that? Because obviously I feel very sad that somebody got murdered. I think it's horrible, but at the same time I have some kind of different thoughts about the whole situation, but I kind of want to hear what you guys have to say first. About XX. So I was telling Jay's the roomie.
What's up, folks?
Yeah. And we're going. Oh, Jay. Now somebody wants to join our conversation, but I'm scared after last night.
I don't know, man.
So I'm gonna first, before I let anybody join, I'm gonna share. Actually, I want to ask Jay. Jay, what's your thought on XX?
I think it's really sad. I don't know a ton about him. I think it's sad anytime someone gets shot, man, and killed. I think from what I've heard, which is I don't have all the info, he's been doing some stuff that I can't agree with if it's all true that he was doing in his life. I don't think that necessarily.
You talking about like the physical abuse towards women?
Physical abuse towards women and stuff along that lines. But I don't think that justifies being murdered. You know what I mean?
Of course, you don't want to see
a different way to handle it.
Yeah,
Like there's different repercussions for that. You know what I mean? You don't want to see someone just get murdered. I think it's crazy, man. I don't know. I think it shows though that things do catch up to you. I feel like in the past, like you weren't able to wild out as much as we wild out nowadays on social media and stuff. You know what I mean? There were quicker repercussions.
What did you think of his music?
To tell you the truth, I've heard like a song, a bit of a song. I couldn't even tell you. I've heard like a little bit of, I don't know, just little clips and stuff. I thought he seemed like creative.
Fuck with me. Look at me. Look at me. Fuck at me.
I don't even know that song, to tell you the truth. I haven't really listened to his music that much.
My pants. Can't keep my dick in my pants. Yeah. That pants. Yeah. That was like his first big song. Like, look at me. Fuck at me. Look at me.
Yeah, I don't know. I haven't listened to his music really, so I can't speak on that.
Yeah, alright, so my thoughts on XX is that I wasn't a huge fan of his music, but I was aware of it. I did like a couple songs. I listened to his a couple of his projects or one of his mixtapes. And I was like, yo, I was surprised, like, yo, this is pretty good. Like, this isn't like, he was definitely not like Lil Pump. Like, he wasn't that kind of rapper. He actually had some substance and some depth to his music. Then he had all the allegations about abusing that girl, like apparently like sexually kidnapping and all that kind of stuff. But then later, I think it came out that the girl was lying or something like that. And so I was like, all right, what the fuck? You know what I'm saying? Maybe that wasn't true. But I think the bigger issue is that there was a lot of negativity surrounding him. You know, I don't know if he created that negativity or if negativity was just drawn to him. I remember a while back when he got into that whole situation where somebody came on stage and like punched him, knocked him out on stage, and it's like usually that don't just happen out of nowhere. Usually it's like some kind of beef, and I see a lot of this stuff escalating online where these kids or these younger artists are like taunting one another, and people, you know what I mean? There's like beef with this guy, beef with that guy. And y'all gotta understand, like, man, this stuff is real. Like, you can't just live on social media and think that something can't happen in real life.
I got a good point though. That I just thought we both just said that same thing. But right now, Drake and Pusha T are involved in the beef. But
that's a rap beef though. That's a lyrical beef. That's not about anything like personal though. Those are like two MCs sparring.
He just talked about his son.
Well, that's because it went too far. But that does happen in lyrical beefs. People talk about, you know what I'm saying, personal stuff. I think
there's a feeling that there's not, like, I never felt when they were doing that something physical was gonna happen.
Yeah, because you knew it was a lyrical. You knew it was a lyrical. It was more of a lyrical sparring match. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't. XXX was trying to get into some kind of lyrical sparring match. You know what I mean? It was more of, you know, I don't really know. I knew he had some beef with some other rappers, and the whole stuff came where he got punched on stage, and I don't know if that had anything to. I knew he had been incarcerated before. You know what I'm saying? So I just think that, of course, we lost somebody young, somebody that was, you know me, was influencing the younger generation in hip hop. But I hope that some of these younger guys understand that you can't just fucking this. I hope you learn from these mistakes. I hope these mistakes that are happening, especially to rappers, when they're getting, you know, in violent situations, like, I hope y'all learn from that, man. Like, you can't just think that stuff is just social media. So I don't know if anybody wants to chime in on any of this stuff. We're gonna see what's up, man. Somebody said, where's your Tim Hortons, though? We did have earlier today, we had Tim Hortons. We're in Calgary right now, y'all. We chilling, man. We got a couple days off. It's too late. I'm in. Waiting for Nelly to join. Yo.
Whoa.
Yo, bro, you got to put a shirt on.
Nah, man, working.
All shirts got to be on in my live feed.
Nah, dude, we working out, man, making it happen. Yo, you met my you met my partner, Marcel. You heard?
I don't know. We got bad service over here, man. We in Canada.
You saying Canada? I'm saying you met. Hello? Yo. You got me? Yo.
Why is this shit? My shit freezing. That he just froze on mine. He's off. Pause. It's the connection is bad. Connection is lagging. All right, it's nearly left. Here's a new rule. If you want to get on a live stream with me, you got to put a shirt on. Straight up. I'm not letting nobody, no shirts. You got to have shirts on.
This is based on past.
It's Nilly. You can put a shirt on, bro. I ain't letting you in. So, all shirts, man. Everybody have a shirt, no service. All right, so you said you got a shirt on? All right, bro. We'll let you back in. Hopefully the shit don't freeze up. All right. Yo, yo. What's good, bro? Can you hear me? We got bad service in the hotel, man. What's going on, man? Swag. Yeah, it's just lagging, man. Just lagging.
It's coming through though.
Yeah, well, I mean, my voice is coming through, but I guess when I try to go on with somebody, yeah. Um, yeah, I'm just gonna stay solo. So, what do y'all want to ask? Any questions y'all want to ask? I'm done debating with the flat earthers. They just are just fucking. I can't argue with somebody that's just fucking doesn't have any sense. Bro, we on this hotel Wi-Fi and it sucks. Um, you mad? Why you mad? I'm mad because the internet sucks and I can't talk with you guys and I can't stream any movies. Canada's cool, man. We had hella fun in Wilson last night. You know what I mean? Or the other night. What songs? I didn't really know that many songs. I only knew like "Look at Me," "Fuck at Me," "Look at Me." Yeah, Connection is whack, bro. My bad, man. How's it like being in the rap gang and producing product? Man, I enjoy it, bro. I feel really great. I'm really grateful to do what I love, bro. Can't really be mad, man. Of course, I'm always working towards taking my career to the next level, but I'm very grateful. Um, Thank you, Karina, baby. Uh,
Hey, what about this question? What do you think about Trump creating two space programs?
oh man, I think it's ridiculous. I think that he's creating like a space military. What the fuck is this, like fucking Star Wars, Empire Strikes Back? In order for you to purchase my new album, you need to go to the site to do so. Is it released or am I late? Just all you have to do is click the link in my bio. All my music is, you can just do it right there. Boom. Click the link in my bio. You can see my store. You can see links to iTunes, Spotify, CDs, all that kind of stuff. Just click the link in my bio. Come back to Saskatchewan. I'm going to be in Saskatchewan in like a week, right?
Mm-hmm.
We're coming to Regina. So Raven Savage 13, coming to Regina. Click the link in my bio. My shows. We're coming to Regina, so make sure you come. We're not coming to Saskatoon this time. We're coming to Regina. Are you and Jay lately going to be at World? You talking about World Underground? I'm going to be there. Yeah, I'm going to be at World Underground on August 31st. I'm performing. Yeah, really, Raven. Marcel in Baton Rouge. That's the homie, man. Shout out to Marcel. That's my brother, man. Coming to Ohio anytime. I want to come to Ohio, man. It's Raven Sage. Oh, my bad. I said Raven Savage. My bad. Raven Sage. Anyway. All right, Berto42 wants to join. Let's see if it works. Berto, you better have a shirt on. Wait, Berto, do you have a shirt on? Answer me. Make sure you're fully clothed. Or coming hot with 6 songs. Okay. We need you here. Where's here, Jet Sweat? It's hard for me to believe that X got shot because I have been analyzing the videos and pictures. Oh, I don't believe you. Don't tell me you think it's a conspiracy, man. The internet has made everybody a fucking conspiracy theory. The earth isn't even fucking round anymore. It's fucking flat. If the earth was flat, then everybody would be saying it was round. It's just internet, dude. You guys are crazy, man. Um, Come to Boise. I was just in Boise, bro. Y'all need to click a link in the bio so you can know when I'm doing shows, because I was just in Boise. If you can come to the state, I'll travel to the city. I don't know what state you're talking about, Jetsway.
Oh, you said Ohio.
Ohio. Oh yeah, I was in Ohio last year, but I'll be back. What's up, Malcolm? Australia. I haven't been. I was in Australia in 2015, so I really want to come back. Hopefully soon. Did I ever meet? No, I never. Come to the Bay? What do you mean come to the Bay? You know I'm going to be in the Bay on July 14th. At the Be Bold. If you could come, if you could form a hip-hop group. When you were in Regina, I don't know, you have to click the link in my bio. Raven Sage. Click the link in my bio. All information is there. Just click on tour. I think we're going to be there in like a week, right, Jay?
Yeah, something like a week. This weekend, maybe.
Yeah, this weekend, maybe. You're stuck in Prince George. Oh, that's a horrible place to be stuck in. Prince George sucked.
Yeah,
She just, somebody said, I have cried 4 times because I thought he died, but then in a frame, he never had any blood on his brown jacket or any wound unless he got shot on his right of his body. Okay, so a big conspiracy.
Wow.
The government is hiding XX. He's frozen. Get the fuck out of here.
Hey, we're in Regina on Sunday.
You should swim to Boston. I was just in Boston. If you didn't make it, sorry. We're in Regina on Sunday, Raven Sage.
Album bum is definitely not.
I've been a fan since you were battle rapping, bro. Hey, much love, Malcolm. How often do you tour? We've been touring a lot lately. I mean, maybe like twice a year. So twice last year, twice this year. Damn, I'm in school and shit. If I was in the Bean, I would make it big fat. I saw you last time in Saskatoon. Saskatoon was fun, man. Saskatoon was fun. Much love, Locksmith. Much love, Malcolm. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah, man. We just chilling, man. It's we got a day off, so would you ever collab with Jordan Lewis? Yeah, I think Jordan dope. We actually did collab on Jaron Benton's album. It's called a song called Tech in the Church. It's me, Jaron Benton, and Jordan Lucas. It's a dope song. I'm very sad about the situation. It's hard for me to believe anyone because at first BuzzFeed came out with announcing his death, and I never trust BuzzFeed because they fake everything. People think everything is fucking fake. How do you know what's real, man? These guys are ridiculous, man. Come on, man. Would love to hear a song with Tech Nine. Yeah, I think that'll happen in the future. The new Kid Cudi, I haven't listened to any of Kanye's albums. I'm kind of down with. I heard a couple songs off that, and I'm not into it. I'm not into it. I'm good. I'm kind of checked out on Kanye. I'm not really into that Nas album that he did. I'm not into his album. I'm not really into that Kid Cudi album. The Pusha T was kind of, but I'm not really into what he's doing right now. Sounds really just not what I'm looking for. You know what I'm saying? J Rock's album is really dope. I really like J Rock's album. Really well done. He's stepped up his rapping, the flows, the cadences. He's talking about real shit. So I'm open to outside creation if it's good, if it's something that I'm feeling. How you feel about artists being like XXX being shut down? We've been talking about this whole time, bro. I'm not about to go back into that. But I think it's sad when anybody has to lose their life. Hopefully, some of these younger people can learn from their mistake. Have you heard the new Eli album? That's my homie. I heard a few songs. I'm gonna have to sit down and listen to the whole thing. Jay, we need to listen to that Eli album. Yeah, we need to listen to that. Yeah, J Rock album was fun. What up, man? I'm in your province. Cheddar Cheese, that's the homie, man. Where do you find it? Do your research, bro. Do your research. I don't know who Mr. Mac is.
Selection.
Oh, okay. Selection is dope. I said it's work on the phone. Bitch, where? Yeah, I really wasn't super big on the new album. I just said that. What was the last battle rap video you watched? I couldn't even tell you, bro. I honestly did not watch battle rap. I'm out of the. We just talked about the whole X situation. So we're gonna have to watch this later. Where can you send some production? Figure it out, bro. We are on Instagram. I do have a contact button on my Instagram. All you have to do is do a little bit of searching. What's the plans this summer for you after the tour? You gonna have to wait and see, bruh. Do you know how to play an instrument? No, I don't know how to play anything. I do what it do. Jay, you know how to play any instruments?
Not anymore. I used to know how to play.
You don't play anymore?
Nah,
bro. You probably still know how to play.
No.
All right, y'all. I'm getting tired. It's time to relax, man. We got a day off. I'm about to stream some Canadian Netflix. They have different movies, you know. So I'm out, y'all.